Here are some top SEO strategies to help you rank higher on Google in 2023. Focus on user experience. Google prioritizes websites that provide a good user experience. Make sure your website is easy to navigate, loads quickly, and has high-quality content. Optimize for mobile. More and more people are using their mobile devices to search the web, so it's essential that your website is optimized for mobile. This includes using responsive design, optimizing images, and ensuring your website is mobile-friendly. Keyword research. Keyword research is still important in 2023. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords to target in your content. On-page optimization. Make sure your website is optimized for the keywords you're targeting. This includes optimizing title tags, meta descriptions, headers, and content. Link building. Links are still an important ranking factor in 2023. Focus on building high-quality backlinks from relevant websites in your niche. Voice search optimization. With the rise of voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, voice search optimization is becoming more important. Make sure your website is optimized for natural language search queries. Local SEO. If you have a local business, it's important to optimize your website for local SEO. This includes creating a Google My Business profile, getting listed in local directories, and optimizing your website for local keywords. Content marketing. Content marketing is still an important strategy in 2023. Create high-quality content that provides value to your target audience, and promote it through social media, email marketing, and other channels. Video marketing. Video is becoming an increasingly important part of digital marketing. Create high-quality videos that provide value to your target audience and optimize them for search engines. Keep up with algorithm updates. Google's algorithms are constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest updates and adjust your SEO strategy accordingly. Follow industry blogs and news sites to stay informed.